Welcome to Tech Vibes. In this video, I will guide you on how to enter the JVC Smart TV service menu. Please make sure the TV is powered on and working normally. Use only the original JVC infrared remote. Always take photos of the original settings before making changes. Wrong adjustments may cause display or software issues. Now let us start with the service menu access methods. Method 1. Most effective JVC service menu code. This is the most widely working service menu method for JVC TVs. Keep the TV powered on. Press the menu button on the remote. Then press 4, 7, 2, 5 in sequence. The JVC service menu will appear on the screen. If this method does not work, do not worry. Now try the next method. Method 2. Alternative service menu code. Keep the TV powered on. Press the menu button on the remote. Then press 2, 4, 8, 3 in sequence. On some JVC models, this opens the factory or service menu. Method 3. Factory menu using display button. This method works on some older and mid-range JVC TVs. Turn the TV OFF using the remote. Now press and hold the display button on the remote. While holding it, press the power button. The factory or service menu will appear on the screen. Once you enter the service menu, you will see advanced options. From this menu, you can check panel information and panel type. You can view software version and factory data. You can access white balance and calibration options. You can enable or disable store or demo mode. You can also check error logs and usage hours. Do not change calibration values unless you are a trained technician. Now I will explain how to exit the JVC service menu safely. Press the power button once on the remote. Let the TV shut down completely. Wait for 10 seconds. Then turn the TV on normally. This ensures the TV boots without software or display issues. If this video helped you fix your JVC Smart TV problem, please give this video a like. Share this video with your friends who may need it. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more real and practical TV repair solutions. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.